Facebook, please permit me to play this music. I do not have express permission to play it. That's why I'm seeking for your approval. Thank you, Facebook. Onyeaghala Nwanneya. The program, share it, make it go viral. Encourage others to join. Honorable Nwanneya. Onyeaghala Nwanneya, Honorable Nwanneya. Our brothers and sisters are stranded. They are stranded in Sudan. They are stranded in Sudan. They need help. They want to come back home. They are outside. They need help. But we do not know how to contact them. Please, if you have information, let us know. We have to take it from here. Bright Chime is here. Thank you, our brother. We know this on Nwanneya. If we continue to follow it the way it sounds, the way it reaches to our hearts, the way it conveys the meaning of what we are about to say today, about the topic of our broadcast today, then we will not be able to, finish dancing it. I think it will take us about 30 minutes to finish this particular track of Nwanneya. But we have to take it from there. And we thank you, our brother Bright Chimeze, for that special number. That special number that, is the one of the fabrics that holds the Igbo people together, one of the fabrics that holds our culture and tradition of the Igbos together. One of the things that make us who we are. Onyeaghala Nwanneya. Imi beme anye ebeme. My people, today's topic is urgent attention needed. We need contact phone numbers of the Igbo people stranded in Sudan. If you know one of the people that are stranded in Sudan, please let us know. They put out information, but they did not give us contact. You have to get contact of a person before you can help that person. So today, we are requesting for our people in Sudan, if you can see this particular broadcast today, or if you are somebody at home or around the world, and you know your brother or your sister is one of the people, or even if it's not one of the people that are stranded, but it lives in Sudan, that can lead us to how to rescue our people from Sudan, those that are stranded, those that are homeless now, those that are staying outside and do not know what the next minute will bring to them. Please, we need you to contact us. Contact Onyeaghala Nwanneya. Our phone number is here on the screen. You can call us at +1 800 559 3721, or you can call us at +1 619 381 8579. You can also call in this program as we do the program. You can call us and report what you know, or if you know anything that is going on the ground now in Sudan, or if your brother or your sister is there at moment stranded, please, you let us know, because we want to send out a rescue mission to bring them home. They need transportation, they need help, and we need you to contact us. Thank you. My people all over the world, I greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to some of you at these special moments of the day. My name is Nwanneya Rosemary Williams, aka the Amazon. I am your daughter and your sister, and this is Onyeaghala Nwanneya Media. And our brother Bright Chimeze have said it on Nwanneya. Our people in Sudan now, they need our help. Our people in Sudan now, they need our contact. Our people in Sudan now, they need to see how we can help them get back home. They are stranded. And if you know anyone that is stranded in Sudan, you have their contact numbers, please let us know so that we can reach them. We have people that are ready and willing to bring them home. And we need that information. We cannot help them if we cannot reach to them. My people, today is May 1. Hey, May 1. Today is May 1. On 1 May. My name, on 1 May. You know that. Most of you have seen on 1 May. Most of you have been following on 1 May. Today is May month, the beginning of May. In the year of 2023. And today is Orie Market Day in the Igbo Market series. And we pray that Orie will retail in Homa, rip Ryan Kojo. Orie, geritela in Weronwe. Orie, geritela in Ikpofta onye ndu anyị na nwanne anyị nwoke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ebe ha jidere. Orie ga-enyere anyị aka ribata ihe ọma, anyị enwe ike ụzọ anyị ga-esi kpọlata ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ na Sudan ugwu na-amaghị ụbọchị ga-adịrị ha. Today is Orie Market Day. And today is May 1. For those of us born in the month of May, those of us born in the month of May, happy May month. Happy May month. And for my brother, my beloved brother who is celebrating his birthday today, nwanne gị nwanyị, dede gị, sister gị, na-asị gị happy birthday. Ka Chineke nna mezuore gị ihe niile iji okwukwe na ya. Amen. So, today is May 1. I am a May child. And I celebrate my birth month from the beginning of the month to the end of it. Those of you that have known me over the years, you know that that's how I celebrate. So, and the most important thing we are talking about today is about our people that are stranded in Sudan. It's an urgent call. It's an urgent call. Our people are stranded. I will just show you a clip. Ụmụafọ Igbo nọ na Sudan na-ebe akwa. Ụmụafọ Igbo nọ na Sudan na-achị, biko nu nyere na ya aka. Ụmụafọ Igbo nọ na Sudan na-achị, na-achụpụla ha n'ụlọ, na-achụpụla ha ebe niile, were ha paakị ha na-eche ma a ga-abịa kpọla ha ụlọ, bet ukwu awụọla ihe politiks, achọghịzi ihe kpọla ha. Ọ bụrụ dị nwanne anyị nwoke bụ nna ikwu onye ma uwefara ụgbọelu ka eji kpọla ha. Ụgbọelu ha eruteghị ụmụ Igbo aka, ejile ha emere ihe ndọrọ ọchịchị. A nwere ike kpọlacha ndị niile ma ụmụ Igbo na-amalakwa ha na-eji aga ego anyị n'obodo ahụ ụkpọrọ nkụ bụ Naijiria. Onweghị ha ji anyị kpọrọ. nga na-enwe ihe ndị Naijiria ji anyị kpọrọ, ndị mba ọzọ esoro aka ahụ na-emegide anyị. Amejinu ihe ofu onye n'ime ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ na Sudan ugbu a kwuru. So I'm going to play a clip from the situation on the ground in Sudan, even though it was not demarcated whether it's South Sudan or North Sudan, but it's Sudan. It's happened in the Sudanese country. So I'm going to show you this clip. And then I'm also pleading with our people, please, if you have a brother or a sister in Sudan who is affected by this situation, we need that person to contact us. We have people that are ready to bring them home, but we cannot help them if we cannot reach to them. If they can make these social clips, social videos, and circulate, they're supposed to put their numbers in those social videos that they are doing, so that somebody can call them back. So that somebody can call them back and then start arranging how to evacuate them. That's what we are asking for. That's what we are requesting for. So I'm going to show this clip. And please pay attention to it. It's just a very 1 minute or 2 minutes clip. But it conveys the intention of making it. And once we get their numbers, we can be able to reach them and make adequate plans. Already there have been people standing in the pipeline trying to bring them home. But we cannot bring them home if we do not know how to reach them and how to tell them, come to this place or come to that, or where can we meet you. I believe everybody is understanding what I mean. So I'm going to show this.
Ndị Igbo ka m na-akpọpụ. Anyị nọ na Sudan ebe anọ na University of Khartoum. A na-eme evacuation project. Evacuation asịsị bupụsie ndị Nigerians n'ebe anọ. Ha bịagofa wee bulu ndị nke ha buolu. Wụsazi anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo. Mgbe anyị baara moto nke pụwala Nwanneya, asa anyị litisie. Ihe niile abago politiks. Kịta na anyị na-ayọ ndị be anyị biko ndị nwere ike inyere nwe anyị aka. Nwanne anyị nwoke bupụtara APC bupụtara plane a eji wee bulu ndị mmadụ nawa from Egypt. Ọ nọkwa ya na filuo na ihe niile na-aga, mana achọrọ ka famalụ na ife a ga-akwa a na-akwa aga ọfụma. Nekwa ụmụ Igbo ka ahụtara anyị, nekwa na-atọ anyị ebe a n'ebe ahatara anyị. Ebe anụ a ka a na news a na-aga na-ebunaga anyị. Anyị anabeghịkwe. Anyị ka ụsakwa ebe a biko anyị na-akpọ ndị dị ka atọ eze n'ukpo.
Okay, I don't know what happened. That didn't play all the way. Maybe it played on the background. Maybe when you be watching it, it will play full. But I don't know what happened there. But let me see if you can hear him clear from this place.
I don't know na University of Khartoum. A na-eme evacuation project. Evacuation asịsị bupụsie ndị Nigerians n'ebe anọ. Ha bịagofa wee bulu ndị nke ha buolu. Wụsazi anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo. Mgbe anyị baara moto nke pụwala Nwanneya, asa anyị litisie. Ihe niile abago politiks. Kịta na anyị na-ayọ ndị be anyị biko ndị nwere ike inyere nwe anyị aka. Nwanne anyị nwoke bupụtara APC bupụtara plane a eji wee bulu ndị mmadụ nawa from Egypt. Ọ nọkwa ya na filuo na ihe niile na-aga, mana achọrọ ka famalụ na ife a ga-akwa a na-akwa aga ọfụma. Nekwa ụmụ Igbo ka ahụtara anyị, nekwa na-atọ anyị ebe a n'ebe ahatara anyị. Ebe anụ a ka a nọ news a na-aga na-ebunaga anyị. Anyị anabeghịkwe. Anyị ka ụsakwa ebe a biko anyị na-akpọ ndị dị ka atọ eze n'ukpo ha. ndị Igbo a mara na-enyere mmadụ aka.
Okay. Nwanneya, here 1 minute and 4 seconds clip. Our people are calling for help. Now, we want them to send us contacts. Our people are calling for help. Now, we have heard their voice calling, but we want them to send us contacts. Send us contacts, how we can reach you. Before you start making this kind of clip, that is very, very important. Once you flash where you are, the first thing you have to put in is your phone number, your contact, so that even if the video or even if something happened, at least we get your contact. Send us how we can reach you. That's what we are asking for. We know that you people are stranded. We know that the Nigerian government are taking away the Hausas, the Fulanis, and the Yorubas and leaving the Igbos behind. But you must make haste so that we can get you. Unu gemosi so ka ishe be okpopu unu. Gwa na anyị ka mara otu a ga-esi ma arrange ngunu na ndị ga-abịa iburu nu ga-emiti. Ọha na-achọ ịkọwa. We cannot reach you if we do not have your contact. So, Umunai, if you know these people, if you have a family member stranded in Sudan at this time, if you are one of them, or if you have somebody who can connect us to them, we need their contact. We need their contact. That's the information that we are requesting for. They are stranded. Igbos are stranded in Sudan. We need to bring them home. We need to take them out from that region and take them back home. We cannot do that unless we can reach them. That's what I'm here to tell you at this time. That's the main thing that we are discussing today. Also, we have another thing that is happening. Most of you have seen this picture trending. Well, this is not, I believe, it's a good one to show. At least it's still sitting up. It's just hot. Most of you have seen this video trending. This picture is all over the social media. This picture is all over the social media. It is trending. And I would like to play the voice message that came with it. I would like to play the voice message that came with this particular clip, so that the Igbos in Nigeria, if you do not know what to do, you start organizing yourselves. I know that it's not everybody that it will take to take care of the Igbos in Nigeria. But if you are one of the people who can make yourself a leader, or who can make sure that your people in Lagos State, your people in Abuja, your people in Kwara, Katsina, Kano, Northern States, Midwestern States, anywhere, even in the Eastern region, because they are dealing with us outside our home, and they are also dealing with us in our homes. So I will play this clip so that people will open their eyes and ears and see what is happening. Because when things happen, you want to intervene. People will tell you, no, do not intervene, because they are afraid of if you intervene or if you do not intervene, maybe you will escalate things. But whether you intervene or not, they are still doing what they are doing. Let's hear what this person, the person that made this clip, let's see, that posted this, he had a message.
Good morning, my brothers. Good morning, my sisters, in this old Imo forum. Ekene m onye kwukere onye nta sị na ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma n'aha Chukwu oke abịa ma onye pụrụ ime ihe niile. Biko picture sendere ebe a, picture afọ onye a bụ Philip. Onye a bụ onye ụlọ Ineziagụ. Onye a ejogo mbefa, nyanwa dogo ba anyị amụrụ m ahịa n'aka ya na trade fair. Mgbe na Nigeria sị no, let me engage myself in one business or the other. Onye a na-ere trade fair. Onye a na-ere cosmetics na trade fair. Na Imo Plaza na trade fair. Somebody na-erijuru onwe ya afọ n'azụ family ya. Ọkwa ya bụ onye asị na ọ bara ọkada na Abulado side satellite town. Bụ ọkada onye Hausa bụ ya na ọkada na-anya rubbish, ọkọ ya aka n'azụ. Nwoke m, do you want to kill me? Why are you driving like this? Onye Hausa ekwuru okwu. Ruo ebe ndị ibe ya nọ ndị ọkada ndị ọzọ. Otibe amụ ya, onye anaragbu ya amụ ya. Akụge this guy, ma osisi akụnyesịrị ntu, ma shovel, ma ihe ya ka eji kụgide akụtuo ya. Ana m anụ na ọgwụgwọ now this morning. Na-ekwu n'aka aka. Then my sister be that side sender on this picture. Onye ọbụla ma satellite ma Abulado the other side. Then na Monday, one man be no opposite side of her. Chief Urapo ifo n'iru yard ha ebe ha na Hausa na dustbin akwa oyoyi or like ọzọ wufu ya there. Onye Hausa, all these scavengers ndị Hausa jechere akwa like ya yiri akwa nọrọ ebe atibe amụ ya anara ya amụ ya atụ aka isi ma ndị Yoruba mụ ihe niile zukọ ozugbo kwụba the man kwụgbuo. Nke a bụ nke atọ this week na-eme that area. Na say what happened was na this is conspiracy between Hausa and Yoruba. Na ga-emegide ndị Igbo ihe ha gba ọsọ na Lagos. Ọkwa ndị Igbo dị against them na Lagos. In proxy ime ebogo for allegation kugbuo kutuo. Then ndị Igbo niile nọ dị a ebe akụtu Philip asị na ihe chọọchị ndị Igbo nọ dị a ndị Igbo ekwuru ekwu ndị akara aka. Iwe na-ajụ onye mere ndị Igbo this time. Ịma anyị na-ekwu ya, some people a na-asị unu Biafra unu apụọ. This ọkwa sọsọ onye iberibe ma ọ bụ onye ma na alaikọrọ ya, ọ na-etinye isi ebe alaikọrọ ya. Onye iberibe bụ onye ma na you hate me, ọ na-afanye isi ebe hetiri ya. Na ihe a na-eme ndị Igbo emeghara na akụgbuo. Then ọda ndị Igbo nọ dị a, we say nothing, do nothing. I were chụba onye mere ndị Igbo this time. Kedu who swear for Igbos? In Lagos, ndị Igbo bụ the dominant number of people bi na Lagos. Mana a ga-emegide ndị Igbo ihe. Well, I believe obodo jụrụ onye nzọpụta obodo anwa na-ata afụfụ. Christ udo amad national Jerusalem ruo mgbe nwa nke mmadụ ga-abịa ọzọ. Because they refuse to accept him. Onye batara in Israel every day ọgụ. And udo amad nata afụ bụ these people that are inhabitants of Israel now, rural 40% have original Israel. These are Eastern Europeans. Has they are not in Israel, but originally Israel because they refuse Christ. And this is exactly what is happening in Igbo. Chineke send the onye bia mepe ndị Igbo anya. Then only Yoruba understand what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying. I also understood what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying. Only Igbos refuse to accept what he is saying. If you don't like Biafra, hate go di ha na-eme ndị Igbo. Udo dịrị onye ọbụla. Onye bụ ebrozu onye ọzọ dịka ebuku nkụ. Anyị ncha anata South Africa biri relax ya. Why na ana agoziri Chineke nyere anyị hapụ ya gbafusie ma mụ nwa onye ọzọ. Then ekwutezi okwu otu esite mma, everybody will say sure na kwuru ihe ebe Biafra ga-abụsi izuzu n'ụzọ. No problem, ka enwe na Biafra mana ka ndị Igbo dị mma.
Thank you so much, our brother. Thank you. So no ihe o kwuru. Onwekwe ihe asị this man eme. No, the tactics pụtara na Nigeria now. inwe onye Igbo mee anything otu onye etigharịa na amụ ya efuole, amụ ya efuo, amụ ha niile ga-efugefuchicha. Onye na-arịa amụ ya funu ya chi amụ ya furu, amụ ya ga-efu efu. Ma o furu taa ya efu echi. Ihe ahụ ha ji ọnụ ha kere kụrụ si na ahụ ihe mere ha. Ya bụrụ na o mehụ ihe ha si na o mere ha, ma o mehụ ihe taa ya eme ha echi. Ma ndị Igbo nọ ebe ha nọ na-akụgbu ụmụnne ha, onye ọbụla elema ya n'ọhịa. Ekwenụ si asị nwamkpi egburigwe nwamkpi ihe egburu egburu agwụbeti ịma nwamkpi karịa akarịa anyị kwakpa egbuge nwamkpi otu otu a ga-egbugide ha ruo echi egbuchichara ha. Ma ahụ analeze ma ọrị nwamkpi ahụ den ihe na-egburu egburu agwụ. Mana as long as e nwere nwamkpi, ndị na-achụ nwamkpi ụbọ, ndị na-achụ igbu nwamkpi a gara na-egbukwe nwamkpi na-aga. Unless ma ndị mkpi ezukọrọ ha ọnụ si na ha ga-ekwe ya ka ejiri ha egwu ka ha wuru ha na-egbu egbu, ha ewerezie mpi jee zọọ, were mpi ha nwamkpi niile nwere mpi ga-ewere mpi gị jee zọọ. Ọ bụrụgodị ebule nwere mpi ya were mpi ya eme mkpumkpumkpum ya jee kwa. Werenụ mpinu jenu jeje kwakasị ahụ. Ọ na ịga nga ha na-egburi nwamkpi na-egburi nwamkpi na-egburi nwamkpi. Nwamkpi karịa ọnwụ nga nne mụrụ mkpi anya mmiri ga na-agba ya. Ọ nga nne mụrụ mkpi anya mmiri ga na-agba ya, ya ebe anya mmiri akọ n'anya. Bikonu ụmụ Igbo ọnụ n'ala Lagos ọ gịnị jiru? O nwere ike ọ gaghị awụ mmadụ niile, but your leaders should do something. They should do something. Nne mụrụ mkpi anya mmiri juru ya n'anya. Aichi ụmụ nwamkpi nọ na ebe ha nọ, ha were mpi ha jee kụsashi ahụ. Ma ọ asị na onye mere omere nga ngwere na anya mmiri akọ ya n'anya, betuku ugbo ya hụ ngwere ana nga egburi gị nwamkpi. Our fathers, our husbands, our children, our sons, our relatives, we are crying. We are crying. They are killing us. Ha na-egbu ma ndị nwoke, ha egbukwe ma ndị nwanyị. Nwa ndị ha so. Nwa ndị ha so. Biko nụ ka anyị mekelenụ onwe anyị ebere ndị Igbo. Ka anyị jikọta ọnụ. Nwa na-egbu, a na-akụgbu, onye hụrụ ga-ekugbuge nwanne gị ga-agbalaga. Ma Bright Chimezie gwara chi ọdụlube nwanne agbala ọsọ. Ịnụ olu nwanne gị ga-eguzo. Onye eji mara anyị before. Eche mma iwe ụmụaka. Aha anọ ugboro ole a ga-achị na mmadụ nwere okwu direct. Beti ile ụkwụ m ile ahụ m lee ọnya ndị nọ m n'ahụ ndị kpọrọ akpọ. Ọ ga m lụgo ọgụ onye ọzọ. Nwe onye a mewuge I fight for that person. Ọgụ agwọ okem. O nwedịrị ike sef onye m gbachi egele ọgụ ala mgbalaga. But I will fight it. Because ọwọ nụrụ be nwanne. Onyeaghala nwanne. Gịnị ji anyị? Onye mere anyị ihe ndị Igbo? Ihe niile ji zụọ anyị, akara etinyere anyị n'ahụ gbasara Igbo, ọbara, blood stick. what is happening to us. Then over this one goes you are watching our Port Novo in Benin Republic or Benin Republic. This one is in Port Novo. Ụmụnna ndị nọkwa ebe ahụ achụshigakwa Benin Republic or Benin Republic. It's spelled B-E-N-I-N. But ebe Port Novo no. Our brothers and sisters that are over there, as we speak, the ones in Sudan are stranded. As we speak, the ones in Benin Republic are stranded. And as we have heard from the clip from the person that said the people were screaming that their testicles have gone. When he asked, they said it's a conspiracy between the Hausas and the Yorubas. They want to deal with the Igbos. Who are those in Sudan? And who are those in Benin Republic? Do the maths. And Igbos, it's time for us to rise up and protect our own. I will play the clip from the people in Benin Republic as we speak, those in Port Novo. And you can also see to yourself what our people are going through. They are kicked out and they'll be packing them in the cars. They don't know where they are taking them to. Their police people come, they pack them. And we don't know where they are taking them to. So I'm going to, all these clips, that's why I always show you the clip. Because tomorrow nobody will come and say that I am the one that said, I am not the one, but when we see something that is very, very critical to our survival, we have to alert the whole world. We have to alert our people. It's good that we alert the people so that they investigate it, so that they go through them, so that they know what is actually happening, than not alerting anybody. And our people are slaughtered in cold blood. So if you're asking me, you watch this movie or this video, you follow it up, and if your own brother or sister is there, find a way to reach out to them. They need our help. And if they also need evacuation, the Igbos that are over there in Benin Republic, if they need evacuation, we also need to know so that we see if we can make arrangements for them too. But for now, those in Sudan, we need your contacts because there are people waiting to evacuate you. I will show this. This one now is from Benin Republic.
Many Nigerian people see police, then pack many of us, see our load now. See load. Then pack many Nigerian people on the police here now. When they see them, when they see Nigerian people, both boys and girls, they pack. I don't get now free this thing that they use, Wi-Fi. Now they see they pack many people.
Okay. Remember that if somebody how to kill a dog, they can give a dog a name. Either they say it's a mad dog, or that they say that dog is shitting and pooping all over, or the dog is throwing up or doing something. There must be a reason. There must be something they will tag to that dog in order to give that dog a bad name and be able to kill the dog. I don't know what is going on in Benin Republic, but whatever it is, our people are stranded over there. They should they should find a way to bring them home. They can bring themselves home, or if they need help, you know. And we also ask our people, the ones that work in either the immigration or the embassies, because in Sudan, whether South or North Sudan, in Sudan, we have ambassadors, we have immigration centers, we have people from Nigerian government working in Sudan. We also have people from Nigerian government working in Benin Republic. Those people working on behalf of Nigerians, we plead with you to make sure that our Nigerian people and our Igbo people in Sudan or in Benin Republic, that they are protected. We want you to protect them. Keep them safe for us so that they can come home safely. If they don't want us to be in their countries, if they don't want us to be in their areas, if they hate the Igbos so much that they want the Igbos to go, please, they should kindly let us go. We do not want them to kill us over there. That's all we are requesting for. So our people, our Nigerian government representatives in Sudan, our Nigerian government representatives in Benin Republic, please ensure the safety of these Nigerians. They are in Sudan as Nigerians. They are in Benin Republic as Nigerians. No matter their ethnic region, it is your duty and your responsibility to protect them and make sure that they return home safely. And that's the request that I am making today. I am Wanda Rosemary Williams, the presenter of this program today, and I'm requesting that the Nigerian representatives in government, those working in Sudan and those working in Benin Republic, should ensure the safety return of these Nigerians that travel to those places. They are in Benin Republic with the Nigerian passport. They are in Sudan with the Nigerian passport. Therefore, they are still Nigerians until they tell you they are not. Like myself, I do not travel with Nigerian passport because I'm not a Nigerian. So I am Igbo daughter. I am a Biafra. And if I don't have Nigerian passport, then I'm not a Nigerian. But for those people that are in Benin Republic, they are Nigerians because they have Nigerian passport. Those people that are in Sudanese country, they are Nigerians because they have the Nigerian passport. And it is the responsibility and the duty of the Nigerian government to protect them. You have that duty. You owe them that duty to protect them and bring them home safely. So remember, we still remind everybody that we are requesting for the contact number or numbers, as many numbers as we could get, for those people that are stranded in Sudan. We need their information. Also, I have this to say. This is a tweet that came out. This Twitter came out yesterday. Somebody tweeted, April 30th, 2023. And the person we are seeing here is you see him, is Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu. Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, as we have seen in the recent time since after the demise of the leader of the Ohaneze Igbo, Nnaiku George Obiozo. Now, the person that he has taken over from him is Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu. And this tweet came from Barrister Aloy Ejimako at Aloy Ejimako, and I read, in quote, Kano is very crucial for any key discussion, and it is not possible to negotiate any peace while he is in detention. It will be the joy of many Igbo people and Nigerians to see Nnamdi Kanu released from detention. Quotation closes with a hyphen. It says, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, April 30th of April 2023. As I said it, Chief Iwanyanwu is now the leader of the Ohaneze Igbo. And when somebody do something that is good, we have to let the public know. And when somebody do something that is not right, we also have to let the public know. So, Chief Iwanyanwu is saying that for any peace negotiation to take place between the Nigerian government and the Igbo people, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released from detention because he is very crucial, very instrumental to any peace convention. So he is saying that the Nigerian government should and need to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before there will be any type of negotiation between them. And he is now the leader of the Ohaneze Igbo. And we have to watch out. We have to thank him for at least speaking out for this one, telling them that they must release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if they need the Igbos to do anything with them. So we thank him for doing that. And we say, Chief Iwanyanwu, you have spoken well, and we want you to follow up with this step that you are taking. And as the leader of the Ohaneze Igbo for today, and you are now the one leading them, the Ohaneze Igbo have made all the bad steps, all the bad mistakes they have done, even before the election, the presidential election that took place on February 25, 2023, about 2 months ago. We demanded and requested that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before that election. And people went ahead, and because they had the P2B fever charging everywhere, they missed that step. Ohaneze Igbo missed that step, because if we had Obi as a front runner and he has the whole crowd, he has the whole, almost half of the nation following him, Obi did not use his position as the frontliner of the Labour Party that has the mandate of the people following him, motivating everybody. Obi missed that step because that would have been a very good opportunity to hammer on the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But Dave Umahi and Emeki Ihedioha blocked the road. They wanted to keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu where he was until after the election because they were looking for more political affiliation. And now what is going on? Everything that has happened, the charger has died down, the fever has cooled down. Where is our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? So now we have Chief Iwanyanwu as the front runner, the leader of the Ohaneze Ndi Igbo. I am still Nwada Rosemary Williams, aka the Amazon. I do not see anything wrong for anybody coming up to advocate for what we need. That's a good step. We appreciate you. But please pressurize. Our leader and our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has overstayed in that dungeon. And now that there is a active tuberculosis person living with him in his cell, they are trying to infect him with TB. Only that God is holding him. Please, he should come out from that place before they put that tuberculosis in him. They have already done everything they have to do to bring him down. And now, tuberculosis. So our people should please continue to fight for the release of our brother and our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Our people should continue to fight for the freedom, total liberation of our people, the Biafran people. Because if we are liberated completely from Nigeria and we have our own autonomy, then if any nation, any country outside wants our communication, wants our business, wants our relationship, they will come and negotiate with the Biafrans, not with the Nigerians. Nigerians do not recognize us, and we do not recognize them. We want total liberation of our Biafran people. We want total liberation of our Igbo nation. We do not want to mingle with anything from that British contraption empire called Nigeria. It's not what we began for. Our lives are very meaningful to us. We value life, we value peace, we value good things. Anybody who knows the Igbos know them. Day before yesterday, they were the government of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, and his agents were again on the streets of Lagos, demolishing the houses in Ajao Estate. The Igbo houses, and you call yourself one Nigeria, and when one person's house is being uprooted, others look the other way. When you are looking at the other way, they come from your behind, they uproot your own house. But if the Igbos can stand up and when somebody comes to uproot your house, you protect it. If the Igbos can buy sands and gravels and everything to fill in the lagoon and make it a dry land, what kind of money are we looking for? There is money, Igbo money, embedded in Lagos. Use it to protect yourselves. Today is May 1. Tomorrow is May 2. The day after tomorrow is May 3. Today is May 1. If you are in Lagos State, remember that the Igbos will be locking down their markets. They will shut down their markets on May 3rd. 2 more days from today. Do not say that you do not hear about it. Make sure you buy your food, fetch your water, buy your kerosene, buy your flashlights, buy gari. Gari is very, very important. Gari and salt. Keep in your house. When your food, when your soup is finished, when you don't have much things to cook anymore because you have to wait. They said it will last for 2 weeks. So buy things that will last you for at least 1 week full. Then the other week that remaining, your gari and your salt can lead you through. This is the time to protect yourself, because when the lockdown of the market starts, you do not know what will happen. Ndị Igbo nọ na Eko ka m na-agwa okwu. Taa wụ ụbọchị mbụ n'ọnwa Mee. A sị na n'ọnwa Mee gba abalị 3, a ga-agbachi ahịa ndị Igbo niile, ma ndị ọkada, ma ndị na-anya ụgbọala. A ga-agbachi ahịa n'Eko. Iwuru onye Igbo taa na echi, gbagharịa jezuru ihe ị ga-eri. Gị wuru onye chi ụmụaka, chetakwa na ị ga-agba mbọ nwee ihe ụmụaka gị ga-eri. Ọ kachakwa nka ma ọnwa ahụ ma gawa ike ịzụ ya nke ga-ezule gị izu 2, ga-azụ ya nke ga-ezule gị 1 izu. Gị rie, ma ọ ka mkpa na ị ga-azụ garị. Ịzụọ garị, ga-azụọ nnu, nwee mmiri ọṅụṅụ n'ime ụlọ gị. Ma ihe karịa ike, o nwekwaba ihe echidagharịa, gị gbachigidebekwa onwe gị ụzọ gị na ụmụ gị n'ime ụlọ gị bụ ịga garị na mmiri unu aṅụa, were nnu tie. As long as na unu nwere nnu na ihe unu rige, onwe nke garị akwashi ọkụ. Ma unu enweghị nnu, wiki na-aga 1 izu, na-aga izu 2, ahụ ha nwere ike chegharịma. Mee ka enusha na anụ zuru nnu, zụọ garị dome n'ụlọ, nwee mmiri ọṅụṅụ. Mmiri dị oke mkpa. Ọ bụrụ ma ị nweghị kerozin, ga-ejezuru gị, ga-echekwanụ, ga-azụrụ torch, flashlight, jezuru unu mkpanaka unu ga na-eji amụ ọkụ ma ihe echi ike. Ma anyị na-ekwuchi ndị niile haziri ndị nzukọ ndị Igbo, ndị na-ahụ maka ahịa, ndị tili iwu na ha ga-agbachi ahịa. Ọwụwụkwa ha ga-ekwu n'ọnụ jedu n'ọha. Ọ bụrụkwa ihe unu chọrọ ikwu n'ọnụ jedu n'ọha, unu amara na unu tile ndị mmadụ na nsogbu. Otu unu kwurie, unu ga-emeki sure na unu nwere ihe unu ji echegide ndị Igbo nọ na Eko. And unu nwekwa ihe ndị unu ji echegide ndị Igbo nọ na Eko. Unu ekwewụrụ ka a bịa tiegharịa ofu onye tie na amụ ya efuele, abịa kụma onye Igbo. Onye tie na amụ ya efuele, akụ onye Igbo. Unu na-eme nke sure na amụ onye ahụ na-achapụrụ ya achapụ. Ya mara na ofuele n'eziokwu. Ndị Igbo nụ nga ahụ akụpụrụ onye Ekenu maka na o nwere onye tirishi amụ ya fu. Amụ onye ha ga-achapụ ya kpamị ahụ n'aka. Unu mee ya mmadụ 2, mee ya 3, ha akwụsị ịkụgbu unu. Ma onye akụgburu mmadụ tiegharịa amụ ya efuele, ma onye amụ ya n'ukwu na atụrụ gaga. Den echi etiwu na amụ ya ọzọ fu. O nwere amụ ole? Unu kwesịrị ịsa anya unu mmiri. Unu kwesịrị ịsa anya unu mmiri. Igbo jikọọ n'onwe unu ọnụ. Ma unu ejikọghị onwe unu ọnụ, ka ha gbasazienu. Ọ bụ onye akụgbuchara kpụrụ ibie. Ọ bụrụ otu nwaanyị achị oke egburiele nwaanyị ihe na-egburu egburu agwụ. But nwaanyị karịa, anya mmiri ga na-agba nne mụrụ mkpimkpi. Ndị Igbo jikọọ n'onwe unu ọnụ. enyere m na ozi m bịara inye nụ taa na ndị ụmụnne anyị nọ na Sudan ndị chọrọ ịya ụlọ anyị chụnụ weenụ akara nga a ga-akpọ unu enwekwenụ ka e nwee ike gwa na ebe esi eme kpọfụ a na ebe mụ na-ewe ha akara nga a ga-akpọ na ọdị onye makpa esi abịaru n'ebe unu nọ. So ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m ekele m unu na broadcast today has come to an end, my people. And as I said, this is my birth month. I usually celebrate from the first day because my brother, my younger brother's birthday is today. So, and my own is maybe in the middle. So, for that reason, I have to celebrate my birthday. I have to play myself a music, and I have to play this music for every person born in the every son and daughter of Ndi Igbo, every son and daughter of Ndi Biafra that were born in the month of May. Let's start our day. Happy new month to all of you and happy birthday.